our aim to perform the path milling operation, and this is our required blank, and this is the depth 5 mm, and profile depth, total depth is 30 mm and profile depth is 5 mm. Here we observe our profile and so many curves, linear motions, radius, chamfers, and this is our required profile after machining. And then go to Cyanumeric software 8280 and then click on OK, and then delete previous mission and then delete, and click on new and click on next. Here we have so many missions, and click on 8280 simple vertical milling mission and click on next. Here mission name I mention Pawan, and you mention whatever you required name, and then finish and start the mission and click on start. We observe the mission being started. Here we have to check the reference point. Here are some reference points. We have to must check these and go to program manager. Here 3 programs: pod program, sub program, and then workpiece. Click on new and give main program name. I give Kalyan and give name whatever you required. Before starting program we have to mention header, and we must mention semicolons before it, and we set the blank. To give blank input, check the dimensions. Here total blank dimension from reference point to this position 94 plus 6, here 94, and this is the 6, and total 100. And in y direction this is also 100. X0 is reference point, so 0, and x1 is 100, y1 is 100. ZA is the reference position, Z1 is the depth, the total depth of the profile, here 30. We have observed it 30, so we mention 30 minus 30 from reference position, so accept it, and then give safety codes, mention safety codes, and then G17 here, sorry, here G17, G17, G54, G64, G71, G90, G94. These are the safety codes, and G40 tool radius compensation cancel. G40 means tool radius compensation cancel, and G41 and G42 tool radius compensation right side and left side. G41 means tool radius compensation right side and G42 left side. And here G75 Z0 and G75 X0 Y0, these are the tool homing position. And then click on offset to select the tool. We have to create the new tool, so create a new tool and give the tool name whatever you require. I give the path mill cutter, path cutter, and give what you required. And give the length of the tool, I give -100, and dia of the tool 25, and number of teeth 4 teeth, I give 4 teeth. And this is the direction of spindle rotation, I give clockwise direction, and coolant on, click on OK, tick mark, and then click on edit and select a tool. To select the path cutter, click on OK, and then give D1. Then tool was selected. m0 6, give spindle speed as 1500, m0 6 s 1500. This is the spindle rotation in left side direction, so we have give m0 4, and then give safety points G00, Z2, and then G00. Here we have tool die at 25, so for safety position x minus 21, we gave x minus 21 and y0 safety position. And then G42, we have tool radius compensation left side, so G42. And then approach position after safety position, and we mention approach position. So, and then coolant on M08, and then G01, Z0, and then G01, X20, and Y0. Then this is the tool touch the workpiece, and this is the approach position. And then give some pace and click on contour mill and click on contour, and then give contour name whatever you mentioned it before. And this is the starting position. This is the chamfer linear motion. This is the starting point from reference position. Dimension is 6 in x direction. Here we have mentioned G90, so we write in absolute dimensioning. So here in x direction there is 6, and in y direction we have 14 plus 7, 21. In x 6 and y is 27, sorry 21, 14 plus 7, 21. Here we have the chamfer, so click on chamfer, and in x direction we have 14 plus 6, 20. We have to mention x 20 and y is 7, and then accept. Then this is the chamfer from starting point, and this is the next horizontal position, horizontal motion. In horizontal motion, x from reference point is 76, and then from the reference position and then this is the circular motion. We have to click on circular motion with clockwise direction with radius 18. Here we have 18, so give radius 18. In x from the reference position we have 94, and give x 94, sorry 94. Y in y 25, so dialog select, and then dialog accept, and then click on accept, and then go vertical motion. So we have to select vertical motion. In y direction from absolute position we have 95, so give y 95 and then accept. and then next horizontal motion. So click on horizontal motion and X. We have from the reference position here to it 89.812. So we have to mention X is equal to 89.812. So 89.812. And then accept, and then we have circular motion, clockwise direction, so with radius 38. So click on circular motion and click on clockwise direction with radius 38. And then in X direction from the reference position, here we have 42.188. We have X 42.188, and then Y 95. So dialog select, and then dialog accept, and accept the element, and then horizontal motion and click on horizontal motion, and then X is equal to, from the reference position, here we have 18 plus 6 have 24, and then accept the element, here it is, and then we have circular motion with radius 18. So click on circular motion with anti-clockwise direction, radius 18. So we have to give radius 18. So we have to mention radius 18, and then in X we have from the reference position we have 6. So we have to mention 6, and then Y is 75, and then dialog accept and accept the element, and then next we have vertical motion to the initial point. So vertical, click on the vertical motion and Y is 21 and accept the element. This is our required profile, and this is our subprogram, and then click on counter call and give the counter name whatever it we have to mention it before, and click on accept, and then click on path milling operation, add the path milling cycle. So give G17 XY plane selection, and here we have 3 G17, G18, G19. I gave G17 for the profile, and this is the retract position 5, and safety distance is 1, and feed rate and whatever you required I give 300, and machining type, this is roughing or finishing, whatever you require I give roughing, and this is radius compensation I gave J42. So this is the suitable for our machining type. So Z0 0, Z1, this is profile depth 5 mm. So we have to mention 5 mm, sorry, minus 5 mm. So DZ, maximum in-feed depth in Z direction. So DZ I gave 0.5, and this is the finishing allowance, UZ 0.2, and UXY also finishing allowance, what you required you give. And this is approach type, there are 4 types. I gave quarter cycle for this operation, and then R1 I gave 2, and then feed rate 200, and this is retract type. Here we have 3 types. I give straight, and then L2 5, and lift mode, and to retract position after machining the tool will go to retract path. So I gave 2 RP, and then accept the element, accept the cycle, and cycle was executed, and and we have to give the feed rate F400, and this is the coolant on M08. And then next, and then here we have some mistake, and here from the reference position we have to left side, so means it have minus 21 in safety point, and in approach position so x minus 20. Okay, and then G40, this means tool radius compensation cancel, and then we have to give, and then we give M30 and checking the simulation. Here we have error occurred, block 16 feed rate not programmed. Here we have not mentioned feed rate, so we have to mention feed rate F300, whatever you required, and then simulation. Here we observed how the simulation was occurred. We have maximum infit depth 0.5, so it has depth 5 mm, so 10 passes were occurred. Here we observe. This is our final product, and thanks for watching.